GM, welcome to this episode of Satoshi on the Rocks. Today, we will be pairing a drink with another meme token. This meme token today is the Milady Meme Coin. It's the coin that's paired with those adorable little NFTs of the big-eyed Miladies. I, for one, am a big fan of the concept of Miladies. I tend to use that a lot. You know, I give a little tip of the cap to my wife. I say, thank you, Milady. I don't know if that can help you get into a relationship, and it might not even help you stay in a relationship, but you know, a little tip of the cap, Milady, tip of the fedora, if you will, goes a long way, I think. So let's read a little bit about these Miladies. So this is from milady.gg. We're going straight to the horse's mouth. They say that Ladies is not another meme coin. You might have been thinking that, but it's not. It's a self-organized meme coin. It's the drip currency. Ladies is a points for karma, charm, and beauty. It's the accumulation of clout. Yep. It's the meme coin for Milady. Ladies is the meme coin for Milady. So there you go. Anyways, so what will we pair with that? We're going to do something refreshing, something summery, something bright, something sweet. We have a house-made blackberry jasmine syrup that we're going to mix with our cold brew and a little bit of lime. And we'll use the lime for garnish as well. So you can start off by adding some of this to your shaker or your cup, your drinking vessel. And I made a few bottles of this. I'll be giving these away. I numbered them 00 through 02. So if you want these, follow me on Twitter or X. I'll do some kind of giveaway. And we'll pour a bit in here. Now this is sweet, it's floral, it's got those jasmine notes in there. There's black tea that is also in this, so there's traces of caffeine. And it's a really interesting flavor combination to mix in with the coffee, with the cold brew. So we got our limes here. I'm gonna squeeze a couple in there of our lime wedges. And we got our syrup in there, about 1 ounce. This is a 2-ounce bottle. Fill this up. Yeah, it's been a minute since I made a video, but I got a new phone and I needed a new microphone. And so it took me a while to get things organized, but we're back on the horse, as they say. I'm gonna shake that up. All right. You pour it over. Ooh, look at that. And we're gonna garnish it with a lime. I cut ahead of time. So isn't that just beautiful? Little frothy cold brew. Don't know if you can see that there. Yep, that's it. So this is a really refreshing beverage, and the name of this beverage is La Milady. So it's French. Sort of. It's got the L, the apostrophe, Milady. It's sweet, it's feminine. It's got the floral notes in there. It's got the berry. It's got the lime. A lot of people might think lime and coffee. It's kind of a weird combination, but it works well. It's a nice balanced drink. And again, I'll be shipping some of these out to people. Well, I only have 2. Number 01 and 02. So if you're interested in that, follow me on X. I'll do a giveaway and I hope you enjoy this. I'll also post a link for the recipe to make this syrup if you want to make it at home. Maybe you don't win the giveaway. But yeah, that is about it. So thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.